Let me show you why VisualSP is the best digital adoption platform for Microsoft Dynamics. VisualSP deploys as a managed solution in your Dynamics environment. No need for a browser extension. Seamlessly available everywhere in Dynamics for your users, showing them contextual help where they need it most. Now if I click on the extensions in Chrome in this case, no extensions, and VisualSP is working just fine without the need of browser extensions. Let me show how you can target content like this walkthrough, for example, that shows me around how you can target it specifically to various audiences. So here's the actual walkthrough. If I edit this guided walkthrough, in here I can click on filters and targets, and there's dynamics scopes and dynamics roles. So I can go ahead and target to a specific Dynamics application. I can also target to Dynamics roles. And these roles right here are all coming from your environment. So it's dynamically looking up the role, letting you select the ones that you want. So I'll type in salesperson, and I'm going to select salesperson, add the Dynamics role. Here we go. I can go ahead and select somebody else if I want now. So I've typed in account. I'm going to select account manager, add Dynamics role. So what this means is that that particular walkthrough, if I clicked on save right now, that walkthrough will only show to these folks and it will not show to anyone else. So it's using your Dynamics security and your scopes. It's completely tied into your Microsoft Dynamics environment. VisualSP comes pre-built with a bunch of content, so you don't have to start from scratch. And it's all contextually already hooked up. And of course you can change it. So for example, if I'm in contacts table in Dynamics CRM, I have things like manage contacts. Here's a tip sheet for that. And you can easily put your logo, change the text, whatever you want it to do, but you don't have to start from scratch. Or add activities to the timeline. Here's an animated image, and there's more information just to get you started easily. Now, if I go to the accounts table here, there's also contextual items already hooked up, things like manage accounts. A lot more items like that, so you can start with this content and then put your own branding to make it your own. VisualSP lets you see your user behavioral data, like this heat map, for example, directly for your Microsoft Dynamics environment using a product called Microsoft Clarity, which is hooked up to VisualSP. As you can see on the Microsoft Clarity integrations page, VisualSP is noted right here as the one to use for Microsoft Dynamics. Now coming back over here, here's a heat map showing a specific table and a form and showing where the clicks are happening. Here's another one that is showing a model-driven app and exactly where the clicks are happening in the heat map. Here's a session recording that shows, as you can see, the actual mouse movements of your users. So you can see the behavior data and be able to understand where people are struggling, what they're doing, what they're not doing, and how you can help them. Then there's a dashboard which shows you all information like user overview. You have content insights, performance overview, top pages, refers, all kinds of information that you can get for your Microsoft Dynamics environment, and even more. VisualSP is enabling all of that for you to see this data for your Microsoft Dynamics environment. Because of the reasons that I showed, VisualSP is the best digital adoption platform for Microsoft Dynamics.